But reel back in.
There he comes back to the peloton.
Coming back to the fold. No?
It's interesting. A number of riders will actually describe that as the way it happens. You know, you think of the field going up to the leader, but rather riders in the field will refer to a leader as having come back to them.
We're going to reel him in.
It's an interesting frame of reference. He came, very often you'll hear the statement, well, he came back to us with 40 miles to go or something of that nature, and it's always been an unusual way of, or certainly a different way of looking at it, but one quite accurate.
The Panasonic team really had a poor performance in this year's Giro. I don't think they won a stage. They didn't have anybody in GC. It was basically a bad Giro for Peter Post and his crew.
Good-looking echelon of riders here working very well at the front, as each one takes a very short, quick burst at the front of the field, a five-man breakaway at this point, or a breakaway effort that's going on. Not a big lead. There's two more riders trying to come up and join it.
9 kilometers from the finish. Here they are at 3 kilometers from the finish. And there's a couple of guys just still hanging out there.
This is Piper of the Panasonic team. Alan Piper, Australian, just there. You can see desperation written all over them as they look over their shoulders. They have to see that the field is not far behind them. They're committed, however, to trying to make it to the finish line, and you can see that their effort is going to be for naught.
And not only that, but you know that the moment that you get caught, there's going to be a counter-attack, and you're going to have to go back up to speed again. There's no respite here.
Final kilometer. Day after day, these riders compete for 3 to 7 hours, making cycling has certainly been stated as the most difficult sport to compete in consistently because of the number of times, the number of days per year that these riders compete, and the duration of time that they spend in competition. Many riders will compete upwards of 200 days a year and spend, as I said, 4 to 7 hours a day on their bike in competition. Never mind that they train virtually every other day that they're not racing. Here's a good sprint. Again, a very fast sprint. There's all the heavy hitters, including the purple jersey there of Bontempi in the center. And he's not going to get the best of it this time, however.